Hello English learners, today I'm going to tell you about an amazing website that's going to make a dramatic change to your listening skill. This website is called ESL Listening Lab, and it will not only help you to improve your listening skill, it will help you to improve your speaking skills as well. And what's more, that is going to help you to improve the function of your memory, because you're going to listen to something and you're going to try to use your memory to say or describe what you've listened to, and this increase your mental intelligence as well. So let's go ahead and see this website. So this is the listening website. It's called ESL Listening Lab, and as I told you, it's an amazing website for improving your listening skills. So if you scroll down in this website, you'll find that there are three sections: easy, intermediate, and difficult. So if we go on the easy section here and you scroll down a little bit here, you'll find that there is a list of topics. They are all daily life conversations. And if you click on the first one, for example, a day at school, and you scroll down a little bit here, you'll find there is an audio file followed by 5 multiple choice questions. So when you listen to this file, listen to it like 2 or 3 times and then try to answer these questions. But when you listen to this, I want you to listen to it in depth. What I mean by that is that you listen to it a sentence by sentence, saying like listen to the first sentence and then stop, and then if there are any new words to you, look them up in the dictionary, and then rewind and listen to this sentence again and try to say it until you finish the whole audio file. It's just about 2 to 3 minutes, and when you're done, answer these questions. And when you answer each question, it tells you if your answer is correct or not. For example, the first question here says, how does Joshua go to school in Japan? And the answer is, he walks with a group of friends. So when I choose this, it tells me that your answer is correct and tells me where exactly the answer in the listening audio is. Gives you the sentence that has been said that indicates this answer. So you listen to it and answer these 5 questions. What's good about this website is that it teaches you some idioms for each listening audio or listening topic. Here you have 2 idioms. The first one is crack the box, and it tells you the meaning of it, what it means. It means start studying, and then gives you an example using this idiom. So you learn an idiom, you know the meaning of it, use it in a sentence. That's amazing. Another one here is cut class, which means miss school, be absent. It gives you an example. So what I recommend is that you copy these new idioms and paste them in your own dictionary. Remember the word file that I asked you to make? I want you to make this word file and add to this word file everything new that you learn from this listening website. And by the end of the week, if you make a revision on all what you've learned in this website, you'll find that your language in general is improving. You're increasing your vocabulary and your listening skill, your speaking skill, everything booms. So that's very, very important. But what's very important is that when you learn something, it's very important that you use it. Because if you learn something, you knew it, but you don't use it, you lose it. Easy. Learn something, use it. It's all about practice. The more you do this, the more fluent you are, and it's going to be easier for you to speak, and you don't have to stop to think about what you want to say. You don't pause, you don't say so this will help you a lot in your daily life conversations. Let's say that you're listening to this audio file and there is like a sentence that you can't understand or don't listen to it very well because they speak too fast or the accent is very difficult for you. If this happens to you, then scroll down and use the listening transcript here. So if you hit it, then you scroll down, you'll find that the written conversation here. So you listen and read what's being said. You can see it. So if we play this here.
Hello, today I'm interviewing Joshua on his experiences going to a Japanese school. Now, Joshua.
So you listen and you can see the words, but I don't recommend doing so too much. I just recommend it only once. If you have issues like listening for the first time, because I want you to rely on your ear, not your eyes, because you want to improve your listening skill. Then you need to do practice for your ear, not your eyes. Okay, that's very, very important. And if you scroll down here, you'll find that there are also new words for you, and it explains the meaning of the word, gives you the equivalent of it, and uses it in a sentence for you, which is amazing, because when you learn new vocab in a list of words, that's not going to help you, because you are likely to forget these words easily, and you are unlikely to recall them in any conversation. But when you learn them in sentences, in context, that's gonna be helpful for you, and you can recall, you can use them in any conversation, and you are unlikely to forget about them. Okay, if there is a word that is easy for you, like math here, so you don't need to add it to your dictionary, just add the new words to your dictionary. And remember that you need to use the sentences as well, not just the word. Okay, that's very, very important. Then you go back to easy quizzes, or back to the topic. When you're done with this one, then you go back and do another one. That's very amazing website that will help you to make a dramatic change to your listening skill. That's all for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if it's your first time to watch me, and see you next video.